is chicken Kelaguen, chopped chicken marinated in lemon juice. I'm using 2.5 pounds of chicken thighs. I baked it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes, lightly seasoned it with black pepper, sprinkled a little seasoned salt and some garlic powder. I'm removing the skin and all the extra fat on the side. This way, I'm just using the best part of the chicken. I'm deboning the chicken and I'm going to chop it up in quarter-sized bites. I'm also going to remove all the extra fats that I still see. And it should look something like this. You can also use a chopper for a more quick and easy process, especially if you're going to do this for a large party. I'm slicing 2 scallions. I'm going to remove the sides. These are also called green onions, and I'm going to place a few to the side for garnish. I'm dicing up a quarter white onion. You can also use yellow onion. This is fresh coconut that I used in a previous recipe. I went ahead and froze it and defrosted it, and it's about half a cup that I'm putting into the Kelaguen, totally optional. I'm using 3 Thai chilies. You can use any red spicy pepper or doni. This is all based on preference, so you can add more or you can just omit the peppers completely. So I removed the stems from the chilies. I went ahead and sliced it in half, and now I'm finally dicing them. I like to keep the seeds in because it gives it more spice. Again, if you're not a fan of spiciness, you can go ahead and de-seed the chilies or just omit it completely. I cut up a few lemons. I'm using about a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now I'm tossing everything together, mixing it all up. This is lemon powder. This really is the game changer in this recipe, not just chicken Kelaguen, but many of our island recipes from Guam. We stand by using this. It has more vitamin C than apparently lemon juice. I can't tell you exactly what it says on here, as most of it is in Japanese, but I can tell you that it has a well-balanced lemon flavor to it. And I went ahead and add 2 tablespoons of lemon powder. And don't forget that the bottom of the can is usually outdated, but it is usually still good a year after that. They just mark that on the can, as many other items, for freshness. So just an FYI. So after mixing everything together, I'm going to add some sea salt. You can use regular salt as well. I used about a teaspoon or less of salt. This is all salt to taste, so all by preference. I'm going to blend everything and mix it together again. And I'm going to let it marinate for an hour and add a little bit more scallions or green onions to garnish. One of the ways chicken Kelaguen can be served is in a titiya, which is a Guam sweet tortilla, or in a regular tortilla. I'm gonna get more, actually not. So I'm going to wrap it up. The easiest way to do this, and just take a bite. Look how pretty this looks. This is chicken Kelaguen, chopped chicken, marinated in lemon juice. It is tangy, spicy, fresh, super good. Serve it in a tortilla, eat it with chips, serve it over steamed rice, or eat it as is. Enjoy. me on Instagram at Reese's Recipes for more easy, simple, and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Many blessings.